Dinosaurs were dominant species on Earth for around 165 million years before they disappeared completely at the end of the Cretaceous period, roughly 66 million years ago. The question of why dinosaurs went extinct has been a topic of debate among scientists for years, and there is still no definitive answer. However, there are several theories, some of which are quite fascinating, as to why they disappeared. One reason dinosaurs may have gone extinct is due to asteroid impacts. This theory was proposed by Luis and Walter Alvarez in the 1980s. According to their research, a large asteroid, such as the one that formed the Chicxulub crater in the Yucatan Peninsula, may have collided with the Earth at the end of the Cretaceous period. This impact could have caused significant changes in the climate and habitats of dinosaurs. Studies have shown this theory to be quite plausible. Another theory is that the dinosaurs' food sources became depleted. Many dinosaurs were herbivores that relied on plants for sustenance. However, around 65 million years ago, there was a significant change in the world's plant life. This change may have caused a decrease in the availability of food for dinosaurs. Some researchers believe that this change played a significant role in the extinction of dinosaurs. Another possible reason for dinosaur extinction is changes in sea level. Many dinosaurs lived in swampy areas near the coastlines. However, changes in sea level may have caused these areas to disappear, which would have had a significant impact on the habitats of these creatures. Finally, volcanic eruptions could also be responsible for the extinction of dinosaurs. During the end of the Cretaceous period, there were several significant volcanic eruptions that occurred on Earth. These eruptions affected the planet's climate and altered the habitats of dinosaurs. Additionally, the lava and ash from these eruptions may have affected the food sources of these creatures. It's important to note that the extinction of dinosaurs was most likely caused by a combination of factors, rather than one single event. For example, a combination of an asteroid impact and volcanic eruptions could have had a much more significant impact than either event alone. Additionally, factors such as climate change and the depletion of food sources would have compounded the effects of any catastrophic event. One of the most interesting things about studying dinosaur extinction is how it can inform our understanding of current environmental issues. While the extinction of dinosaurs occurred millions of years ago, it provides valuable insight into how changes in the environment can have a significant impact on the survival of species. Understanding the factors that contributed to the extinction of dinosaurs can help us better understand how to protect and preserve species that are currently at risk of extinction. In conclusion, the extinction of dinosaurs is still a mystery, and there is no definitive answer as to why they disappeared. However, the theories surrounding their extinction provide valuable insight into how the environment can impact the survival of species. While it's impossible to bring dinosaurs back to life, studying their extinction can help us better understand how to protect and preserve the incredible diversity of life on Earth.